Alec Peirce at the ranch with his F-150. Yes, I have an F-150. It's not a big deal because most truck drivers do. Apparently, F-150 has been the biggest selling vehicle, not the biggest selling truck, biggest selling vehicle in North America in over 40 years. I scratched my head when I saw the new tailgate on the back of this F-150. Quite nice. You got the camera at the top of doing all the blue oval, as they call it. And embossed in the metal, right in here, embossed in the metal is F-150, F-150. It's actually embossed in the metal. Then they paint the whole thing blue. So you can't see the F-150. It disappears. Well, from an angle, oh yeah, look at somebody made little impressions in there that says M1, but you can't see it. If it's a blue truck, if it's a black truck, doesn't matter what color it is, because the F-150 is the same color as the truck. Seemed kind of silly to me. And Ford, best of my knowledge, doesn't sell anything to correct that weird little issue. I like my truck. I don't like all kinds of colors. This is not a Walt Disney special, and I like Walt Disney, but I think this looks really sharp. So I shopped around on my good friend Amazon, and I found some letters that you can stick on. They're just plain, ordinary, stenciled letters, like sign letters with 3M backing, and I put them on, and they looked really, really nice, and they were dirt cheap. They were like 10 bucks. And it looked really, really nice. That was 3 years ago, yeah, when I first got the truck. All of a sudden, I realized the other day that those letters had faded. They weren't red anymore. They were kind of a pinkish orange. Diana said it's coral. It's a color. It's called coral. Whatever. I've seen lots of coral. I've never seen that color. Anyway, they'd gone. So I was fed. No, I don't want that. I don't want F-150 and coral in the back of my truck. I don't think so. So I shopped around again, and I found some nice letters. Hard plastic. These letters are hard plastic. They're about a quarter of an inch thick and rounded. They're actually pieces of molded plastic, again with 3M tape on the back. So it took us a while. Diane and I worked at it. Thank you, sweetheart. We worked at it and got those old letters off and all the stickiness. I used some Gooby Gone. That's actually a brand name, Gooby Gone, and a bit of ether and a bit of the alcohol wipe came with these, and we put these on, and they look sharp. I think they look sharp. Kevin saw them for the first time, and what's he say? Do those light up? No, they don't need to. They're pretty bright. I think they look really, really nice, especially with that 3D effect. Now, I was going to mention something. What was I going to mention? Oh, yes. The other thing, these were really easy to put on. Easier than the old thin ones. Yeah, they had a piece of white paper that they were mounted on, F-150. And then, what was really nice, they had a thin piece of plastic, kind of like saran wrap, you know, a kitchen wrap, over the front, over the top. So when you took off you cut the letter F off, so you got the letter F in your hand. You take the white paper off the back, you still had a piece something to hang on to. So you didn't have to touch the 3M tape. It's quite nice. You could position it just right, and when you had it right, just pop, put it on there nice and hard, same with each one of those letters. So that was kind of nice too. I forget the brand, but Kevin has the envelope and some information that he'll put on there. And if you would like your F-150 to look as sharp as my F-150, get these beautiful red letters. Anyway, small thing. Hope you like the look of it. And just a tip on which letters look the better. Those flat tape type or these three-dimensional hard plastic. I like these. See you soon, guys. Alec Peirce at the ranch.